Autumn leaving. Autumn leaving. This is just an old man who's sweeping the sidewalk in Zhengxing village. Here in the quieting hour, before the dusk illuminates so many flecks of smog, before the night calls of birds begin to unmake the day. Here in the languid hour, the vacant hour, the hour dispossessed, he with unhurried steps and frail body, smiling. He with sloping shoulders, where the white-blown dandy seeds have settled, he so contented now, so nearly nothing at all. Hardly a shadow cast, if not for drooping canvas hat and broom in brittle hands, sweeping the sidewalk free of all its fallen leaves. And were a sudden gust of wind to lift his hat off from his head, and were he then unthinking to let go and reach out after this last petal plucked, what semblance of flesh would remain to bind his buoyant soul?